buying monetized channels. Now, what are monetized channels, or YouTube channels, or TikTok channels? Because you can buy a TikTok channel, you can buy a monetized YouTube channel. This is what Dave Nick does. He creates a YouTube channel for you with the best niche, with the best videos, with the best optimization, and that channel get views and subscribers to get monetized. So that channel is already monetized. What you just need to do is to plug in and start making money. And are this channel realistic? Yes. And the best thing, or the best thing you can do for yourself, instead of hustling and trying to get views, trying to buy views, trying to buy subscribers so that you can get monetized. Okay, so this is what happens when you need a YouTube channel. When you purchase a monetized YouTube channel, you get the YouTube channel itself, you get everything you need just to plug in your payment method, and now you start making money with YouTube. Okay, even if it's a TikTok channel, a monetized TikTok channel, these are real. So let's say you want to start a channel but you have no idea. You want to start a channel and you don't know which niche to choose. You want to start a channel but you don't like showing your face. You want to start a channel but you just need an automated channel only. And automated channel means that you don't need to show your face, you don't need to do videos yourself, you don't need to upload videos by yourself. You just need to plug and play or use faceless channels. Okay, and that's where purchasing or buying monetized channels come in, because with that you jump all the hassle of choosing niche, hassle of looking for videos, hiring video editors, and trying to come up with ideas of what video to make. And without that, it might take you even 6 months, a year, 2 years before even you start getting monetized. I'm telling you through experience. I have a channel it's more than 2 years and it only has 29 subscribers. It's not funny. It's not funny at all. This is because I didn't know what I wanted to do at first. I just wanted a YouTube channel. And this YouTube channel, I was just going on YouTube and learning what YouTube channel is, what I can start. So I could hear this person saying, this niche is the best, this niche, it will go viral, this niche is the best. So what I was doing, I was just jack of all trades. I was just mixing everything up. And nothing was working. I think even YouTube algorithm was just confused. They didn't know what I was doing. So just to avoid all that hustle and bustle and you waking up and looking at your channel and you're like, oh no, not even views, like 2 views per video. Now you have like 100 videos that are not doing anything. People are not seeing them. They're not reaching people. They're not doing what they're supposed to do, because a video is supposed to help somebody, to give somebody, to make somebody happy, to change somebody's life at some point. So if a video is not doing that, or a channel is not doing that, then you end up just doing work for nothing. Okay? So this is just a recommendation. It's not a must. But if you need to jump ahead of the line and start being monetized, you need to purchase a monetized channel. And if you don't want to show your face, also you need to purchase a monetized channel, an automated monetized channel. So if this video interests you, or make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to like, make sure to share this video, and also make sure to leave a comment and tell us what you've gone through while trying to create a YouTube channel. So for now, see you next time.